How to make a homemade ARCH for a wedding out of chicken wire. A wedding is an expensive undertaking, and the more you can do yourself, the less it will set you back financially. Some things you might just have to leave up to the professionals, but the wedding arch is certainly something you can achieve yourself. Chicken wire is particularly useful for this because it's cheap, easy to work with, and can be decorated with flowers or other decor with ease. Things you will need: chicken wire, baling wire, wire cutters, 6-foot bamboo cane, step ladder, willow cane, flowers, branches or other decorating materials, string, tent pegs. Make a pair of tripods out of 6 of the bamboo canes. Join the ends of the canes with baling wire. Stick the ends into the ground, allowing 8 inches among each cane. Position the 2 tripods 5 feet apart. Place another cane between the tops of the 2 tripods and fix in place with baling wire. Cut 2 2x10-foot sections of chicken wire with the tin snips. Curl each section around one of the tripods. Join the chicken wire at each edge into the canes with twists of baling wire. There will be an excess of roughly 5 feet sticking out above each tripod. Bend the excess section towards each other and join the end with more baling wire. Weave willow cane through these sections to reinforce them. Weave flowers, blossoming branches or other decorative materials through the chicken wire. Add fresh flowers at the last minute to ensure they will still be fresh for the big day. Make sure all the chicken wire is well concealed. Secure the arch if there are strong winds. Tie 2 strings to the top of each tripod and pull them out at top diagonals away from the sides and affix to tent pegs pressed into the ground. Make sure they are positioned so that no one will trip on them during the ceremony. Tie ribbons or loop flowers around the strings to help make them visible.